Just like before, we can mention if the command is handled or not. And if we're going to say over here something like e.handled, the user will not be able to exit the screen. Let me show you. I'm going to run the code and say exit. I'm going to get a message, but it will not exit. Okay, so by saying e.handled equals true for a handler for the command exit, we are actually preventing the user from exiting. And this can be called in a very cool way. We can say here, instead of using message show warning, I'm going to go to common and say yes, no question, yes, perfect, and say what we receive here as parameters, the title, exit, message, are you sure you want to exit, and default false, perfect. And then we can say here not this. So if he's not sure, we're going to mark it as handled and prevent the user from exiting. So voila, we're going to try to exit. Are you sure you want to exit? No. In case no, then handled is equals to true and we cannot exit. Do it again, say yes, and now we can exit. And since the scope again is current context, which means this controller and any controller below it, we'll get the same all across. So a good way to add this question to all of our screen is just add this kind of handler in the application controller. So let's see what we've done. We've changed it from being a simple message then to a message that controls the handle of this command, and that way we can control whether the user can or cannot exit. So by setting the handle property, we can actually prevent the default behavior from happening. We can prevent the code to actually exit.